Hello guys, in this video let us check out the Lomi. Lomi is by Pela. Now Lomi is a device which converts your kitchen waste into compost. If you're into gardening, you might know what compost is nutrient-rich composition for your plants, which helps your plant grow faster. So you can see it's written Lomi loves to the core orange peels, watermelon, rinse scripts from your soap, from your soup, leftover lasagna, and you can read everything here. So my package was opened by customs to check what it is. Now let me open up the box and show you what's inside. So opening up the box, this is what I have, and you can see it says the Lomi by Pela card. You have to scan the QR card to get started, and here are some of the instructions that I need to follow. And I need to download this QR code and download the app first. So this says scan the QR code to get started, and you can read this booklet. And here this shows how this Lomi Pela works. So turning waste into dirt, and it says grow 24 hours, 3 to 5 hours and 5 to 8 hours. So here you can just pause the video and read. Let me unbox and see what's inside. So unboxing, first we have this cable which will get connected to your Lomi. Next up inside we have activated charcoal that will get used in the Lomi filters. And here is the Lomi itself. So I can open it like this, and here your waste will go and you can use it. So let me show up each of the contents first. So as you can see, this bag is also biodegradable. So it says put your bag in Lomi along with your food waste and they turn to dirt. So this is also a biodegradable bag that we have. Now these are the Lomi activated charcoal filters. So you have to put these in the Lomi filters, and this will act as the smell preservant. So this will make sure that there are no smell while using the Lomi. So this is the activated charcoal that we have here, and you can read. If I pause the video, empty content into Lomi filters, etc. So here we get another card. It says first time with Lomi together, let's make this easy, and here are some tips to perfect your first cycle. It says keep it fresh, mix fresh foods, fresh fruits, grapes, vegetables, chop your waste, give eco a spin, and yeah, that's it. So along with the activated charcoal, we also get this compost accelerator. So you can put one tablet in the Lomi while you are doing the composting. So this will accelerate the process of composting because this has some microbes. So these are 45 tablets, and you can use each one of the tablets. So although it says the direction of use, pour 50 ml of water over the tablet. No tablet might start dissolving in water and form bubbles. Close the lid and start Lomi. This is how you have to use this. Started page of welcome to Lomi, a complete guide to using Lomi. And so using links and information below, you can find complete guide to using Lomi. So first create the account, register for your Lomi warranty, download the Lomi manual. We already do have the manual with us, so we're going to read that. Read FAQ, download other languages, and you're good to go. So tips to keep it fresh. For a first cycle, add a diverse mix of fruits, vegetables, grape, and different types of things so that it's fresh. And you have to chop your vegetables and give Eco Express a spin. So it can be really exciting. So to get faster results using the Lomi amount of energy, put Lomi in Eco Express mode. So this shows how to use Lomi. So initial setup, unpack the Lomi in place on the flat dry stable surface. So unpack my Lomi and put it on the normal surface. Now install the top and back filters. So install the back filter, open the back panel, remove the screws, and on the top cylindrical filter you have to put in the charcoal. So I'm going to show you that in a minute. So here is the Lomi, and I can open this by just twisting it like this, and the top panel will come out. So this is the top panel, and this will come out. Now I can lift, so this is the bucket in which the compost, the waste will go, and then you can also take the compost out from this. You can just lift it like this, and you can see this is how it looks inside. So I'm going to put back that in, and so here are the back filters as it was shown on the user manual. So I'm going to just press this, and this comes out, and here are two screws which you have to unscrew. So I'm going to just slowly unscrew them. So you can unscrew them slowly like this, and inside this your charcoal will go. So yeah, so you put your charcoal inside that. So now you see I've unscrewed this, and the charcoal will go inside this. Once I put the charcoal, I'm going to close this and put it back in. So just remove this like this, and this is the center, and here if I twist it like this, I can open this, and similarly while opening this I can just put the charcoal again inside this. So this is how it looks like. And once I'm going to put the charcoal, I'm going to close this. So I'm going to put the charcoal in both of them right now. So I'm now putting all my filters. Now I'm putting the fresh composter, fresh fruits and vegetables inside. And I'm going to fill this up fully. And I'm going to start the machine in a few seconds. And I'm going to put one of this tablet inside, and I'm going to put some water as it's instructed here, and then I'm going to start the machine. So I have put the tablet inside and putting some water here. So now let me start the machine. So before starting, here are some modes you can see so there are 3 modes here, and here you can see drying, mixing and cooling. So there are 3 phases that it will show how to do that. And here are the interface instructions. So it says to select the modes, you have to click the button and it will change the modes here. So you can see you can switch the mode. So as it was instructed, we're going to use the Eco Express mode, which is within 4 to 5 hours this is going to get into a compost mode. And here are some do's and don'ts. You can pause the video and read it. I'm turning on the Lomi, and you see this is how the Lomi looks right now. So I have to make it sure. So by pressing this button, you can change the mode. So you can see it has gone into the Lomi mode now. And if I press this, it comes to the grow mode, which is 24 hours. Then the next it comes to the eco mode, which has been suggested to use. And then this comes to the other mode, it's the Lomi mode. So now I'm going to just go back to the eco mode as it was suggested. Press for a few seconds more. And when I press this starts. You see, right? So the drying process has started now, and you can listen to the sound of the machine. So the machine has started to work right now, and the drying process is going on. So once this has been completed, everything will start to glow green. So you can see this is partial green, this is not green. So once done, everything will start to turn green. So here are the Lomi modes. As you can see, Eco Express mode, which I have kept it in, then Lomi approved mode, and then the grow mode, which is the first. So I've kept it in Eco Express mode as it was said. So within 3 to 5 hours we are going to get our results here. After processing for 3 hours, you can see this is how the compost looks like. So this is midway in the process, so it's going to take more time now, and I'll show you once what's the end final result looks like. So now I am checking the Lomi after 18 to 24 hours. So in this mode only you can see the compost is fully made now, but in the 4 to 6 hours it was still quite wet, and even in the 12 hours it was quite wet in the Lomi mode and the grow mode. But in the 18 to 24 hours, which is the grow mode, I suppose the compost is now properly made. So it seems you have to give good amount of time, 18 to 20 hours, for it to make it a good compost. So yeah, this is the update right now, and as you can see, this looks quite good here. The compost is fully dry, so it's quite good, and it's made very nicely well. So guys, that was a very quick video on how you can use your Lomi to create compost. So you can just put all your the vegetable scraps and food waste and set it to the largest mode, which is 18 to 20 hours mode, which is I suppose grow mode. And grow mode, yeah, so this is the grow mode, which is 16 to 20 hours, and within grow mode your compost will be perfectly fine. So I didn't find much of a use of Eco Express mode or Lomi approved mode, but yeah, grow mode was perfectly fine as it decomposed all the materials and the compost was ready within 23 hours. So yeah, I would suggest that you should go with the grow mode. And yeah, so now your compost is ready and it's ready to be used on your soil. So thank you guys, that was a quick video. I'll catch you guys up in my new video.